Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this. I am recording this the same day that I'm going to release this video, which is Tuesday the 17th. So happy Tuesday everyone. So we've seen this before. Here are my goals and things I want to attempt to remember. Here's the September overall budget, and here is the breakdown of where some of the money went for savings for the first paycheck. Now what I want to do is talk about the closeout. So I'm closing out the budget early, and that's because I ran out of cash. So let's see how it went for the most part. Of course, you know I am over just a little bit, not too much. So I would say that when it comes to spending and all of that, things are getting a little better. I figure, if I'm not over $200, $300, $400, that means that everything is progressing and getting better day by day. If you hear anything in the background, Jasmine is sleeping. Okay, so of course this pen is by Andrea, and I will have her information linked below, and this is what it says. I wish my bank account refilled as fast as my laundry basket. Man, y'all, the laundry basket yesterday, well, 2 laundry baskets I had yesterday took me out. I felt like it took forever to wash clothes. I did get them folded, haven't put them up just yet, so at least they're folded, right? I know. So we went over this, went over all of this here, and when we left off, we were right here where grocery had $32, gas had $11, miscellaneous did have $10, and I did have $4 to save. So let's go ahead and talk about everything and what happened. Of course, you know I'm over just a little bit since, let's see, how much did I end up budgeting? Let me see. Here is what I had budgeted out for everything. So spending $50, food $190, gas $40, essentials $10, miscellaneous $10, with a total of $300. Okay, so back to the budget. I did get this taken care of. That bill actually came out. That bill for September came out, and I turned around and paid it. For YouTube, it hasn't came out. AT&T bill did come out. The money for NES came out for the next month. Of course, I was already a month ahead, so this was for the next month in October. I did pay the $235 for car. For Google, remember I did have the money for Google and actually took that away. State Farm haven't came out just yet. Term Life haven't came out just yet. And for the rent isn't due until the 1st through the 5th. Of course, when I get my next paycheck, I will get the rent paid. Okay, I'm back to, whoops, that is, I don't want any shadows, so I did put the money for Allie where it needed to go. The buffer didn't get any. I did invest. I did end up having to spend this $20, so I'll put a check mark there. 42 did go to Christmas, and I did end up saving that $1. So when it comes to the spending, let's go ahead and check it out, and then we'll look at my overall no spends tomorrow. Wait, today is Tuesday, so I do get paid tomorrow. I also need to figure out kind of where some extra money is going. I changed up I changed up my direct deposits and added more money to Allie. Depending on what the paycheck is, I may be able to keep that money there. If not, I will use what I need to use to make sure that overspending doesn't happen. So let's say for food, instead of having $190, I probably need about let's see, at $10, that's 200. I say 220 to 230 for 2 weeks, since things are costing a little bit more. So that's what I can fix for the next time. So let's talk about these expenses. So we left off here, and then I went to the grocery store, spent $21 of that $32, which gave me $11 in grocery. For this one, for the 13, I actually wrote it twice, so I'm going to skip this one and move to the 13th, which Chris, I did buy her 2025 fall challenge, and no, I didn't have the money, but it is okay because I'm going to make sure to actually bought it on Navy Federal, and I'm just going to pay the $41.38 back to Navy Federal when I get paid, so it is okay. Yes, I could have waited. Did I want to wait? No, but I should have, right? I know. It's going to be okay. And I don't do this often, but I did this time. It's okay. Now we got the Walmart. So I spent $54.16 at Walmart. Y'all, I thought, because the news kept talking about Tropical Storm Francine is going to rain, it's going to do this. Y'all, where I stay, we did not get any rain like where my mom stayed, which is about 2 hours, almost 3 hours west. It rained at least 4 or 5 days in her location, and we did not get anything other than maybe some rain for 5 minutes, and that rain wasn't a lot at all, more like a drizzle. So because I thought that it was going to rain, I ended up spending $54.16 on grocery, household stuff, because I thought we was going to end up in the house and, just staying in the house for a couple days. Well, that wasn't the case, but it's okay. On the 15th, the day before I went to the dentist, me and Travis went fishing. Jasmine stayed at home, and I said, let's go get some tacos. And we got 4 tacos, and he got a horchata, and that was $15.17. Mind you, I didn't have the money, but it's okay. This is not okay, y'all. I promise you it's not. Same day, went to Mapco. I said, woof, I definitely need some chips because I haven't had any. Y'all, I could have went without those chips. I have to stop doing this, but it's okay. I'm not going to, put myself down or anything like that, but I have to stop. I have to stop doing this. The 15th also spent $3.50. I did pay $3.27 back, so I don't know what the difference between the two is. Maybe 20-some cents. It's okay. I got that covered. I did make a payment for the crooked bill for $118. Got that paid off. Did go ahead and send a payment for $3.27. Did send the payment for all of this car stuff right here for, I don't know, $232.16. And I do have a charge of $10.27 pending, which would be from Mapco, and then I also have a payment of $10 pending. So my current balance for Navy Federal is $80.48. So this is the pending charge and this is the pending payment. Once everything goes through, I should have this payment right here of $80.75. Hopefully that's it. I'm sure. I mean, I haven't swiped my card since this was my last swipe right here. So I believe this is the amount that I'm going to owe, and it's okay. As soon as I get paid, I'm going to send $80.75 to Navy Federal to get it paid off. My Capital One balance is 0. Discover balance is 0. My Leaders Credit Union balance is currently 0. So seems like everything is on the up and up when it comes to the credit cards, which is a good thing. So let's go ahead and check out my no spins. I'm not going to edit this video, by the way. Also, for the ones that always run out of space on their phone like me. So this phone I have has 64 gigabytes, and what I do to help with space is all of those pre-installed apps that nobody use, go to your settings, go to the app, disable every pre-installed app that you don't use. Trust me, it will free up space. After I did that, deleted, some apps that I probably won't ever use, I was able to go from having 64 gigabytes of space being used down to having 48% of space on my phone available. So definitely go in, delete some of those apps, disable them, and let me know if things gets better for you. So let's check out my no spin. Okay, y'all, so here are my no spins. First, as of this morning of 9/17/24, I had 3,708 watch hours. Out of 4,000, I only need 292 more to go. So I'm hoping that I can become monetized. If so, I'm actually thinking I may want to, if possible, and I'm not sure how much this may cost. I'll have to double check and see. First, I want to maybe order 3 pins once the watch hours start sticking, that say, well, not necessarily my channel name, but part of my channel name, and maybe 4K, and do a giveaway for those 2 pins, and I'll keep one myself because that's something to remember, right? And like I said, I don't know how much that would be. I have to get on Black and Blue, which is Erica's website, to double check. I also have some things I thought I gave away, but clearly I didn't. So I want to include those because they just been sitting here since I had them. They're still in the packages, and I would love to get those sent out to someone. So for the no spins, and I'm not really sure what else I would want to give away. Right now we're working with a small amount of cash, and even though I got these, it is so pretty. Even though I bought these from Budgeting Just Because from Chris channel, I haven't started filling these out at all whatsoever, so I need to go ahead and do that. If you all need Happy Mail challenges, check out Budgeting Just Because website, and let's count to see how many no spins we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Today is the 17th with 10 no spins. I think that's a good amount. I think that's a good number to have so far. So thank you all so much. I will go ahead and get this video posted. No edits. Thank you all for the help. 9, I still have your playlist running in the background. So far, so good. Everything is running. Nothing has stopped. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.